Hi guys, my name is Shankhabrata, a student of Civil Engineering branch at SISTec Gandhi Nagar campus, class of 2020. As we all are aware that civil engineering cannot be completed with only theoretical knowledge. Along with this theoretical knowledge, we do require certain additional skills which SISTec has provided to us. Those include proper and regular practicals which we have completed at our labs. Undoubtedly, SISTec has the best lab facilities. Apart from these lab facilities, the college has organized frequent industrial visits, site visits and training programs for the extra knowledge we can gain from here. Due to this technical knowledge I have gained over here, I have completed 2 internship programs at my final year, in which at one company I got a PPO. It's Kamladitya Construction Private Limited. I'd like to thank my faculty members, my respected HOD ma'am and the entire TNP cell for guiding me to the right path. Apart from the academics, I have actively participated in co-curricular activities which has definitely uplifted my personality development and personality skills. This 4-year journey was a great experience for me. I have learned and I have enjoyed a lot. And it was nice being a part of this institution. Thanks and best of luck guys. Bye.